It's a lot of rain outside today. It's not really nice out. There's a lot of water dripping down. Are you ready? Rosie, are you ready?
If you want some melody, just let me know.
Quick, come on! Oh! Okay, 5 more seconds and it's game over. Who has a water fight in the rain? Was that me?
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, go into your rooms, change up your bathing suits off, get into your jammies, okay?
You didn't finish your lunch.
I'm full. I had a snack.
It's a gourmet sandwich.
But just like bread with a little bit of cheese in it.
It's the best.
Welcome to the vlog today. It's just Sunday. It's just kind of one of those Sundays where we're just kind of chilling out.
No, we weren't chilling. We were at church.
We're at church, but I spent the last hour just kind of hanging out cleaning.
Hey guys.
Oh, we do have something planned. We do have a drone challenge today. And we're gonna set up some hula hoops. And me and Catherine are gonna see who can fly the drone through the hula hoops with the best accuracy and speed.
And I'm gonna try too.
Obviously I'm gonna be the best because I got a little bit more drone experience than Catherine does.
Yes.
However,
Try mine, okay?
she seems to think that she's good at everything,
Yours already done. You got yours.
especially shoveling down that food faster than anyone I've ever seen. Oh, look at that. Go for one more. Oh. One more. One more. You're giving Rosie a run for her money. Oh.
I feel sick, babe.
Oh no. Well, that's what happens. I gotta go see. I hear
Someone's
you. Help. What do you think that is? Let's go. Help. I hear it. We're coming. We're coming. What's going on?
The drone.
What's going on? I hear help.
What happened?
Show me the remote.
What's going on in here?
Ow.
Oh, you stubbed your toe.
What was that?
Oh, you're fine again.
No, I still.
The miraculous.
False alarm.
Oh yeah.
Cry wolf.
I'm supposed to do this.
Oh, you got the drone? This is the other drone. Oh, the kid's drone.
No.
Is it charged?
No.
Well, that's not good, is
We'll
it?
charge it up then.
Charge it up for the drone battle.
$25.
Here's the drone. It's a micro drone quadcopter, and I think it films in 4K.
I'm gonna open it.
Just kidding.
No.
Catherine's gonna unbox it.
Okay, we're gonna just remove it from its packaging. It's very nice.
Ooh,
We're
it
gonna
looks
place
fancy.
it down on the corner edge. Okay, let's, whoa, sliced. Leilah, pull it with some scissors, please. And stop doing that. You're gonna Kylie Jenner your lips. You're gonna look ridiculous.
What are you doing with your lips?
And here is
Don't do that. Where did you learn that? On Instagram?
the remote.
Don't do that stuff. Take it off. Take it off, you goof.
And this should come with a charger.
You're struggling there, huh?
It's got a tiny little thing that I
Let's see.
No, I can do
There's
it.
some extra little things if they break up.
How much was this little doohickey?
$24. See if it works. It's all set.
Get out of here, Aunt.
You have to set it up.
Okay.
She's gonna do that. She's gonna fly through that hula hoop over here. She's gonna go through the second hula hoop, which is right here. And she's gonna have to do a nice touchdown on the table, which is right there. Okay, she gets one shot, okay? Nobody touch it. Here it is. And And it's broken.
Did you even catch any of that?
Well, you're bloody beating the heck out of it.
It's so hard.
Here, film me, I got this.
No,
I got
you don't got it. Trust me.
Here we go, ready? Oh my, it is hard.
Oh.
I'll just give it a touch.
Oh. You got it through.
I got it through. So I think we both lose this challenge. Probably why.
Well, there's more.
Yeah, these props are whacked right now.
The propellers, you call them props.
Like you can see how they... See that one right there?
They also are like so small and thin.
Yeah, we broke the props, so...
I got it. I got it. Okay, well, I can do it. Yeah,
You guys are getting the spider?
Yep.
You guys caught it?
Yep. Oh no, it's on you. Ah! It's on you. It's on you. Ah! Yeah, try to catch the spider too.
Oh, it's a little guy. Here, I got it. I got it. It's on your face! It's in your hair! Where is he? Let's find him.
Daddy, why did you put him?
Oh, now he's gonna crawl up one of your guys' chests.
No, I found it! Where? You guys can't see.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Yeah, he's so tiny.
He's so small.
You see him?
I got this.
Rosie, get out of here. Rosie, get out of
When
here.
he gets on the tissue. Okay, now I'll put him outside.
Do we gonna rescue it outside?
Yep. We need to put our raincoat on, Aaliyah. No, we don't.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Release the spider.
Release!
Not in the water. Stay in the dry area.
Oh, there he is.
Where is he?
Where's he?
I think he's gone, guys. Let's go inside. Come on.
Let's leave the toilet paper in case he's on. In case. Okay, but you need to learn the demonstrate first.
Let's see this drone. Come on. Drone time.
Okay.
Whoa. Whoa, Leilah, you're better than your mom. Whoa, not in my fish tank. Not in my fish tank.
Land on the table.
Oh, snap, Leilah. Whoa, she's checking herself out in the mirror. Oh, wow, no, she's gonna go do the dishes. Get her, Rosie. Get her, Rosie. Get it, Rosie. Rosie doesn't like drones in the house. Oh, Leilah goes through the door. Oh, God. Oh, no. It's out of control. Aaliyah, what's happening?
I don't know.
Oh no, there she goes! Oh, she just ate your orchid! Katherine! Katherine's gonna be mad you just chopped up her orchid! Did it bite you?
Yes, Daddy!
Oh, and it died.
What are you doing? No!
I didn't do it.
I don't know what
It was the drone.
it was the drone.
Hon, I didn't do it, I swear.
Seriously,
No, but
this cost me a lot of money and it's on its last legs. Like,
I know,
come
but it
on.
was the drone, hon.
I don't care. Get it out of here.
I didn't even do it.
It's still on, I know it is.